How to convert low quality video into 4K HDR. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, import your video, then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply at the bottom, you'll find effects option. Click on effects. As you can see on effects, you'll find video effect. Click on video effect and then scroll to the left and click on lens. Select smart, sharpen, which is the second option. If you don't find it here, simply search at the top. Click on adjust and adjust filter and blur to 0. After that, add range to 50 and sharpen. You can simply select which you prefer. Simply adjust how you want. After you've done, simply drag the filter at the bottom. If you're not satisfied with the sharpen, you can simply again adjust it by clicking on adjust at the bottom, which is beside replace effect, and you're good to go. After that, you can simply save your video. And this is how to convert low quality video into 4K HDR. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.